guys, this is Naman Pathak and welcome to all in Digital Vidyapeeth. Guys, in this video we will talk about the NPTEL MOOC course Patent Law for Engineers and Scientists Assignment 8 Solution. Guys, the last date of submission of this assignment is 17 March 2021. So, without wasting our time, let's check out the solution of all these questions. Our first question is Statement 1. Any person shall file a pre-grant opposition. And Statement 2. Any person interested may give notice of opposition to the controller under Section 25(2) before the expiry of 1 year from the date of publication of grant of patent. Correct option is D. Statement 1 and 2 both are true. Our second question is Statement 1. Opposition proceedings under Section 25(2) shall be filed any time after the grant of a patent but before the expiry of 1 year from the date of publication of grant of patent. Statement 2. Inventions claimed in any claim of the complete specification was publicly used or publicly known before the priority date of that claim shall not be a ground for pre-grant opposition. Correct option is A. Statement 1 is true but second is false. Our third question is Statement 1. On receiving notice of opposition under Rule 55(3) of Section 25(1), the applicant shall file his statement and evidence in support of his application any time from the date of notice from the controller. Statement 2. The notice of opposition shall be filed in Form 7 under Section 25(2) and sent to the controller in duplicate at the appropriate office. Correct option is B. Statement first is false but second is true. Our fourth question is the controller shall constitute an opposition board consisting of 3 members on receipt of notice of opposition under. Correct option is B. Section 25(2). Our fifth question is a patentier shall file Form 12 within dash from the date of the order of controller along with statement setting out the facts upon which the patentier relies on. Correct option is A. 3 months. Our sixth question is upon request made by the opponent in regard to the invention obtained from the opponent in the manner as in Section 25(2), A. The controller shall revoke the patent and correct option is B. Direct the patent stand amended in the name of the opponent. Our next question in opposition proceedings, if the patentee desires not to contest or leave a reply in evidence within the stipulated period, then correct option is C. The patent shall be deemed to be revoked. Our eighth question is under Section 25(2), the controller shall either maintain or amend or revoke the patent or receiving receipt from. Correct option is A. Recommendation from the opposition board. Our second last question, Form 8 shall be filed by. Correct options are A and C, that is the applicant for the patent and the aggrieved inventor of the patent and the applicant. Our last question is which among the following grounds shall be raised in regards to the conduct of the applicant under Section 25(1). Correct options are B, C and D, that is if the applicant failed to disclose the controller information required under Section 8, if the convention application was not made within 12 months from the date of the first application, and last, if the application does not disclose or wrongly mentions the source of biological material underused for the invention. Hopefully guys you like this video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel Digital Vidyapeeth. Thank you guys. Take care.